Good morning and welcome back. Today is another experimental tiny treasure. I love abstract, as many of you know, and I once did a abstract in miniature form quite a long time ago, and I always loved the result. I don't have any photos of it because actually I might have to go back and check. It didn't work in that the board that I mounted it on at the time, it bubbled and the glue went funny, and so even though I had it on display, that annoyed me. So I didn't do one again for quite a while, and I was already painting a landscape today, but I thought I wanted to try and just play with composition and play with colors and play with texture within this tiny painting. So I've started doing a little bit of a shape, and I'm trying to build up the colors. In the end, I didn't actually like the composition of this one, but I still felt like it was a great experiment because I was testing out the darkness and the lightness. And in the end, I felt like it was way too busy for such a tiny space. I know what I'll do different next time, and I also know where I will stop and hold back. So enjoy this little experiment with me, this little process video of how I paint. I'm trying to upload basically everything that I paint because I think it's important to see sometimes the things that you don't like as well. So I'm just using Indigo by Winsor & Newton here, and a very small 00 brush, I think it is, and Handmade Gold watercolor. If you want a full description on anything else that I use, I have a downloadable PDF on my website where you can have a look at the tools that I use and like little tips and tricks that I use in my work. So enjoy this little process, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.